Devoto, good morning. Awful market today, huh? It's actually not awful, but this is normal after movements like this yesterday. Now the market is consolidating. Probably. The funny thing is that first time I thought that it will grab the bottom from Asia. It didn't do it. After that I thought, okay, now it will break the top. It didn't do it also. So I don't know what will happen now. I could see that on 1 minute there is order book. Also this area right here could be a potential buy zone, but it could probably break it and continue to fall because there is probably a breakout on every side already for sell, but I think that the price will not fall immediately from here because let me erase some of this stuff, but you can see that probably from here if we align. Oh, okay. That is why it didn't break the liquidity on the downside, guys. That is why you have to do a proper analysis. Yeah, it actually rejects from the trend line probably. So what we could expect to happen today, I don't know. Let's see. On daily time frame, we have an all-time high with some rejection here. Let me see something right now. So, as I told you, now, my mistake. I thought that here the price will break the Asia low, but as you can see, there is a trend line, and basically probably that is why the price didn't break the bottom. So not breaking the bottom creates an order book here, which is actually, look guys, first there is an order book here. The price moves, breaks on the downside and breaks all the previous tops here. Actually, after that, it fills the gap, goes to the fair value gap and rejects. After that, tests the order book with a very good candle by mistake, and when created this huge candle, it actually creates another order book, which, if now the price gets rejected from this order book or from this area right here, which is very good area, it might be a confirmation that the price will continue to go up today, because we have a rejection from the trend line with two confirmations. Of course, if the price breaks the zones and breaks the trend line, we could probably expect a fall, but I'm thinking that this huge falling, rise, fall are part of the manipulations, but initially the price is still bullish. So I will wait a little bit to see what will happen. I was pretty sure, actually, I made a loss right now on the copy trading account. Let me just a second, what happened. Okay, you can see, oh no, okay, it's here. We are currently at 3.5% profit. I was up almost 6%, but I made a loss because I thought that the price will break the top and it starts to fall, and I close loss. I was somewhere here entered, but no. What do you think? Tell me. As you know, I'm looking on very simple methods. I'm using very simple methods, so I might be wrong. Yeah, in my opinion, definitely not bearish outlook for now. You can see perfectly yesterday the price falls to this support area that was created. It tries to break it, but it couldn't. You can see again the price rejected. Now it's consolidating. Now if we see a huge breakout, some good breakout with test, probably it will be time for selling, probably for the price to break all these areas of rejection here. But initially, if it couldn't reject it, if it couldn't break, excuse me, I will be bullish. So I will wait for now. Probably there are two options. First one is to see a breakout, to see a rejection from this 1 minute order book here, probably from the trend line also, and to see a breakout on the Asia high. Of course, the other way around, if we see a breakout, probably grabbing the Asia low and Probably some tests we might see falling, but the breakout, I'm pretty sure that we should check it at least on 1 hour, because on the smaller charts it might trick us. You can see even on 1 hour yesterday created such a huge candle. Let's see. As I told you many times, I don't suggest you look on 1 minute, but sometimes. Okay, we'll see if the price reject with some good candle. We might enter buy. We will wait for some breakout as a confirmation here. But if it breaks the bottom, I will start to probably look for potential sell. But you can see dollar starts to fall, so I'm expecting that the price will, the gold will get rejected from here. Let's see. Don't rush into anything. Okay. Okay. Drums. Now, if this continues like that, it will go to break the top probably. We will see about that. Yeah, on 5 minutes also. Let's wait the candle to close, but I think it looks really good. I think it's good, guys. Yeah, I will actually try to buy it right now. I already bought it, so I'm on break even now. Here it is. I'm with the copy trading account, of course. We'll see. Probably the price will test the area again. Hope it don't break it. This is not financial advice. I just decided to go into some buy from this area because this is my expectation. Of course, I told you guys, if it breaks the zone, we will probably go for sell, but I will expect the price to grab the Asia high here at 2520. So now, as I told you, I'd like to make stuff like that. And hope to see a breakout here. which will be something like a confirmation for me. But we will see. I will adjust now the stops and the profit. For now, the market is still very slow. We'll see whether this trade, of course, guys, use proper risk, because you can see that the market is pretty much strange at this moment. But initially the stop is like 20 pips, I guess. So yeah, 20-25 pips. So it is worth to try it. But probably. Come on, man, DXY is falling. Come on. Must we buy? I don't know. I got into a buy. You decide for yourself. The stop, I put it on literally on the bottom here on 2511, because if it breaks the zone, it will not match my strategy anymore. So I will not hope, if it breaks the bottom, to return. So I will expect now to see a breakout here, and I think that this trade will turn good for us. But let's see. Still no volumes at all, so be careful, guys. Let me mark my golden area, 20 pips. Still no good volumes at all, but we have to be patient to see. Also, for now, DXY is falling. Let's see whether my analysis is correct, or I'm just hoping for to see something that will not happen. Come on. Let some volumes kick in. Boom. So basically, this now is my 3 strategies that I'm using in one trade. So I'm expecting a liquidity grab on the top, rejection from the trend line, and order block as a confirmation. So I think it looks good, but again, until it breaks this small trend line, it's still not sure because the dollar starts to rise. You have to be careful, guys. Observe it. Don't take unnecessary risks. Let's hope to see a breakout with a whole candle. And I think we can see 40, 50, 60 pips or something like that. Come on. Break it. Break it and let the volumes kick in. Morning buying trading copy trade was awesome if you hold it a little longer. Yeah, look, don't follow the trades that I'm entering in the copy trading for now, at least, please, because I'm still not started the flipping. I'm just more like scalping and stuff. So don't follow the trades, please, guys. It is super important. From next Monday, I will start the flipping challenge. So for now, don't look at what I am entering. I'm entering for trades for 5-10 pips, so I don't suggest you look at all at them. So the market is slow. Drums. Come on, come on, come on. Let the volumes kick in right now. Guys, I have to make someone to get someone here with me to make me company because I start to get crazy. Okay, guys, we are at 20 pips profit. I actually didn't enter this trade on my big account. But let me write it. So I'm writing in the group. So so everyone can decide for himself whether he wants to collect profits or he wants to wait or stuff like that. Guys, hit the like button, and I hope that you like the explanation, the theory behind entering these trades, because of course it's really important not only to follow someone, but of course to know the reason behind. Now I will move the stop loss on the copy trading account just because I don't want unnecessary losses, but now the price might return to test and then to start to continue up. Have it in mind. Dollar starts to go down. Basically it looks very well for now. If this continue up, definitely I'm pretty sure that it will break the Asia high. Even it might continue to go up after that, just because it's still bullish. That's why. And I think it will grab these tops and will reach this area to test it, and later today we'll see a potential breakout or return. We will see what I think that this will be today's movement. Of course, have it in mind, protect your trades, don't trust blindly on everything that I say, because the market, you can see, it's very not unpredictable, but it's really volatile or harsh. What's the word? I don't know. When I look at my MT5 on my phone, your chart is a little late. How is that possible? I can see like 10 seconds ahead. Yeah, because there is delay in YouTube. It's simple. There is some delay because of YouTube. Should we move stop loss to break even? I told you, if you want, you can move it. I personally moved it in the copy trading account because I don't want to take unnecessary risks. But you have to have in mind that the price might return to test it just to hit your stop loss and then to make the higher movement. But we'll see. We'll see. You make market analysis easy for us to understand. Yeah, many people tells me that, and I start to think whether I should make some, not school, but how to say it, like some coaching sessions probably, or something like that. But have in mind that this is based on many years of experience, many years of observing the chart, many years of spending time to know how gold moves in every periods of times, because there are times that order books don't work, there are times that they work perfectly, there are times that liquidity don't work as it should. So there are different seasons in the market. You have to know that, and this comes with experience, with time spent on the charts, and of course, well, knowing many strategies, many things, how they work, and of course, this also includes the experience, but to know how to perfectly combine it and to see whether they will work for you or no. Okay, DXY is breaking down. I think everything goes as it was planned. One day when I grow up, I want to be as good as you. Thank you for the words. Just keep hustling. Just don't. You have to know, guys. As always, I try to be super transparent with everything. Before I come to this position right now and to get this opportunity to trade with these huge accounts and stuff like that, and to manage groups, oh man, I have months with more than 25k losses. $25,000, guys, losses. So if I was to quit then, I wouldn't be able to be on this place right now, when there are days that I earn more than a whole family income, year's income. Of course, this is investor account. Not all the profit is for me, but I get a fair part of it. So everything is good. And we are 35 pips on the way. You've been in a group with traders before, am I wrong? No, you are not wrong. We were. What has happened? I think that when you try to grow and to keep pushing ahead, I mean to continue to pushing, sometimes your paths get separated with other people. So basically that is what happened. We are not we didn't have some problems or some argues or stuff like that. I just thought it was a long process, not a single day, and I was like, okay, I'm out of the team. But it was more like I was thinking that if I continue to be in this team with these people, I can't grow and show what I can and what I can do and what I have learned. So basically, yeah, it was a process that I thought it would be better for me if I separate from these people than to continue to push with them and not showing the results that I want. So that is it. That's the whole story. Like, your strategy is very simple, thanks, learning from you. That's the point, guys. I want to show you that if you're looking at some super sophisticated indicators, I will not going to go through everything, but the market could be super simple and super easy, even if it's volatile like that and everything. Sir, you're the reason I never quit. Thank you, sir. Greetings, Habibi. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Why they don't pump the gold? GXY is falling. Because there is a possibility that the GXY meet a rejection and the gold starts to fall. As I told you, it might not get the profit. Today the market is very crazy, or it might continue to go to hit our stop loss and then but this is not very good candle. You have to know it. Coming to stop loss. Yeah. As I told you guys, first, it might be just a test to exit people like us right now, but I'm not going to risk it. The other thing is that probably they are trying to push the DXY. I don't know. We are about to see now. If this hit the stop loss and continue and returns to the area right here, because it actually didn't touch the trend line. So basically now it might return here, and if we see a rejection again, we might enter a trade again. But when we see candles like that, unfortunately, I don't think it's fake. Probably the price could we will see from now on. Sir, if I may ask, how many years are you trading? The truth is, I don't know whether they're 5 or 6, because I don't remember exactly when I started, because first month that I started I remember very well, but I don't remember when it was exactly, but I remember that I lost huge amounts of money. Yeah, this goes to the stop loss. Target Asian low, maybe. Yeah, maybe, but if it breaks the Asia low, guys, I will not be bullish anymore, because Asia low will means a breakout, and if it doesn't make some good rejection, it will probably means a breakout on the trend line and the potential fall. But initially, guys, the price made 30-35 pips, not much, but in this range, in this market, it's very well, because we didn't have a pip on loss. The price immediately goes on profit. So that's why I told you, you have to to decide for yourself. I wrote in the group, collect profits on the way, because market is you can see it, guys. Market is the price don't know where to go to right now at this moment. So maybe don't take another buy. It started the bearish signs. Yeah, I told you. Now I will not do absolutely anything unless I see a huge rejection here, probably with pin bar or engulfing candle or something like that on different time frames. Or I see a breakout on the higher frames and probably a test on the smaller time frames. I will not do anything for sell, I mean, and for buy, as I told you, a good rejection.
Hello.
My wife just entered my office. Okay, you can see the DXY started to go up, so probably today gold will continue the yesterday's impulse. Let's see. Sir, are we to wait for another buy? Wait? How? You should buy at this moment right now. There is nothing bullish at this moment anymore. Look. It actually started to break out. Now it might form for buy, but we have to wait for this candle. No, man. Eugenie Kennedy, wait. Don't do anything at this moment. Sorry for the that time so silent, but I'm just observing whether it will get a rejection or it will go to break the floor. Oh, this actually closes already. This hasn't. But DXY is started to go up, so probably the gold will fall. Just a second. Mm. Ah, my old friend. Now the question is whether it will form for sell at all or no. Actually, gold and DXY goes in opposite directions. Okay, now it grabs the Asia low. Let's see whether we will have a rejection it will form for sell. But looking like that, I am more bearish right now. I think that now in this situation where the price, if the price closes under the low, we might see a retracement and or we might not see it. Did gold and DXY ever go in same direction? No, they're most of the times in opposite correlation. That means if one falls, the other one is rising. It will not give us a chance, probably. Guys, hit the like button on the video, please. And let's hope that the next candle will do some retracement and we can jump into sell. But it might just collapse. Probably this candle was the test, actually. Now if we go on 1 minute, it would be very good if the price returns at least to test the breakout here. This area, somewhere here, and then to enter a sell. But will it return? I don't know. Damn. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's see some retracement and we can try to sell it to see what will happen. I think that the price will test the breakout here and but after that, if we sell it to where, probably at least to these areas right here. This is on 1 minute, of course, but it will do the job. Excuse me. Oh, let me close that window. An orb strategy is not I'm not familiar with it. But if you're just using my super simple strategy, you could also catch the sell from the beginning, because here we have a breakout and a test, and the stop loss, if we put it above here, we might catch it. So I'm just telling this, not that I catch the movement today. I didn't, but I mean that you don't need sophisticated orb strategies and stuff like that. Just simple understanding how market works will do the job. Okay, DXY. Okay, guys, we're 1 hour in this live session, and nothing interesting has happened. It might start to form for sell from now. No, it's still early. I think it has to test at least. It might form a breaker block, test on the trend line, or just test the breakout, but I think there should be test on the smaller time frames. Guys, the last time to enter the copy trading is Sunday. So after that, I will start to trade more aggressively. I'm just waiting for if some other people wants to join, and I will start to try to flip the accounts to make them huge, but I will see in the process how things will form. I will managing them. Come on, stop wasting our time. Just go test, make a rejection, and we will enter sell. What are you waiting for? Probably the 1 hour to close. We will see a rejection. We will see a retracement. Let's see. Let's be more patient and see what will happen. Guys, I think that now very soon we will have an entry, even if the entry is now. Yep, I think that now the price will start to go down. Of course we will see, because now it will close the 1 hour candle, but let me check if DXY. Oh. How to join copy trading next week? Next week it won't be available, okay, until Sunday. Probably Monday morning, but after that it won't be available anymore. At least that are the plans for now. Come on, go down. Fall. Fall. Okay. Fall. Not power for now. Yeah. My scalping method. Sometimes it's a little bit frustrating, but and when you're looking for small movements, sometimes you're missing the bigger movements. That's why I don't really like it. But now I'm like preparing myself because the flipping will be very interesting, guys, because there eventually I will hit for one movement, but I will put more volumes in it, so it will be more risky. Now I think that it will make a deeper correction, or no. Let me erase this or move it somewhere not to be in front of my eyes. Is the copy trading? Kindly explain how to join the copy trading and the amount to copy. So the copy trading, you have to write me a message and I will give you the steps. You can find motherfucker. Excuse me guys for the swearing, but so guys, when you come under the live, there is where it is copy trading. Message me, send me a message and I will show you the steps. The minimum amount you should deposit is $200 because this is from the broker, a requirement from the broker. Make it free. Some of us following you are students. Yes, it is free. It is commission based. If I manage to make profits, I will get 30% commission. But it is free to join the. It only requires to have $200 in the account. But this is how things works. Also, guys, you have to know that I know it sounds. I don't know how it sounds, but I mean, you can't expect to trade with, let's say, $10, $20. If you only have $10 or $20, just go away. It's not for you. Trading is much more sophisticated and stuff like that. You can't expect to make some good profits with $10 or $20. It doesn't work like that. Better go on a casino or something like that. It's like starting a business with $10. It's funny. It won't happen. Sorry to hear it, but that's the truth. And if you're a student and don't have money, better learn and not rush into trading for now. Come on, make a rejection. But the DXY is falling. Come on, man. Fall. Guys, are you here? I even don't watch the live. It's a little bit risky, but I think it's okay for selling right now. You can wait for this 5-minute candle to close if you want. Because the only thing that bothers me... no. Okay, DXY starts to go up. I think it looks good. It looks good for selling, guys. We'll see, but we have to see a breakout on the bottom right here. Will it happen? Let's wait to see, and we will find out very soon, probably. Now the question is, if now starts to fall, where should we expect it to go to? Probably this area will be our first profit. Let's see. 25 seconds. Come on, break it. There is one area right now, and we want to see a candle under it. 7 seconds. Give it to the boys. Give it to the boys. It didn't break it. Let's be patient. Let's see what DXY is doing. Market super slow, no volumes. I think this slow market means if the price breaks, we can see 20-30 pips fall. Come on. Ah. Don't want to break. Um, this is already fulfilled. Okay, volume start to kick in. Let's see what will happen now. Okay, I think now the falling will start, guys. Let's see. Potential breakout here will mean probably that the volumes will kick in. If it doesn't happen, we'll see. But on the smaller time frames, I think volume starts to kick in. And let's see what is going to happen, guys. I predict 30-40 pips at least. I didn't post this in the group because whoever is in the live will take advantage eventually. Oh, you wrote something crazy. You enter sell trade and didn't notify your Telegram channel. Yeah, I didn't do it because before that we made 35 pips, so I think it's enough. Whoever is in the live or is following the copy trading is okay. Let's see now a breakout. Come on, don't play with our nerves. Break the bottom. There is still no power. Come on, fall. Okay. Runner. Let's make 20-30 pips now. Make 20-30 pips now. Make 20-30 pips now. Oh, how I hate this slow market. How I hate this slow market. The XY starts to return. Come on, fall. Fall. This is how we do it. It's Friday night. What man? What man? Crazy how you entered the sell trade. Don't you think that this is a little bit selfish from you? Not that I'm staying here for almost 2 hours, but must we sell, sir? Lost over $100. How? How you lost it? Because there is not a single trade that we entered today, at least today, that went on loss. Okay. Guys, I think that I might end the stream because the trade is still running, but I have some stuff to do, and you can see that I'm silent already because I'm working and adding people to the copy trading and stuff. Be careful here if you want. I don't know. I have 2 entries actually, so be careful about this trade because now it breaks the bottom, but it looks like there is no. You can see this candle. So the market is crazy today, but still I think it will reach this previous bottom. So if you want to risk, stay in the trade. You decide for yourself, guys. probably see you tomorrow. And again, I'm already at almost 5% profit on the copy trading account, 4.5%. So you have time until Sunday to join the copy trading, guys, because after that I'm starting to the so-called flipping, and we'll see what will happen. See you tomorrow.